Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel Gmail tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block email address in Gmail using our Android mobile phone. So if you no longer want to receive emails from any specific email address, and this method, it will help you. So to get it started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to Gmail applications on our mobile device and log into our Gmail account. Once you get into Gmail, simply open the email, and then when the email will open, go to the right and select the three vertical dots over here and select the block right here so that it will block that person. If I select block, it's going to let me know that any future messages will be marked as a spam and I will not receive them in my inbox. So I need to confirm that by selecting block. Then as you can see guys, if that was a mistake, you can unblock that sender. So if you have any questions about this, leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.